Great setup. Great setup. I'm gonna give it a few more seconds and then I'm gonna start. All right, let's get into it. So, of course, I had a picture that I showed last week when the market closed on gold. What ended up happening? This is the wrong gold anyway. Let me. So this gold is this one? Yeah. So what ended up happening is last Friday, gold broke the trend line. This week it retested it, stayed up there for a very long time. They make some fractals, not yet. And today, yesterday and today, we have bloom. We might have a nice little retrace, then more drop. Meaning the dollar might be just bullish as we thought it was from last week, from off the DXY predictions. So right now, I'm just taking a nice little pullback. Let me explain the pullback. This was the drop that happened when the New York session opened up. There was news, of course, it's a news drop. I saw those red folders. I really didn't want to trade, but I could have caught the sale. But I was out. I actually got in, and I called the sell out on the team only for prop firms, but so we caught all of this. And I think my stop loss was right here. I mean, my take profit was 773. I didn't think it was going to continue all the way down today. I thought maybe tomorrow it will continue, but hey, at least we got some pips out. I think like 150 pips. So simple market. M5 channel pullback area right here, right? Really simple. Then it made a nice floor, and now I'm anticipating price to push back up. And we'll be out of this trade. This small trade, this 17. I got in down here on my account, but by the time I was able to go to the top and put it in on the, it already made this push up. So a lot of people are in a drawdown right now. There's a lot. And this area obviously needs to be broken. You just need one strong candle to break it on the M5. But that's just some M5 looking. Like on the hour, we had a doji. Let's just remove the drawings. You saw what I said. So we have a lower low that formed and a fractal, right? Yeah, we have fractal. So I feel like we're still good. Yeah, we're still good on this position. So 70 stop losses. I actually had the stop losses below. Something like this. We'll see how they play out. But okay, so let's see. Yash, what's going on, man? Did you catch this? Are you in this gold trade? I think, or I don't know if you got it on the top here. The reason why I took it, because it's plain old price action. Oh, you didn't? Yeah. I called to sell yesterday, but it was kind of mostly for prop firm. Gold can be tricky when you have a small account. So I try not to trade gold with small accounts. Yeah, it's all good. So, yeah, because gold, if you don't have a big enough account, gold will burn your account out. And I know that from experience. That's why I use gold for prop firm trading, honestly. So gold made this nice little support. This on the M5. That's why I got in. I called this trade out. I got in. Nice little support right there. We do have an area right here. It needs to be broken. And then this is the next area up here that hopefully once price breaks through this, then TP can be smashed. I see this move right here is the reason why I knew that this candle was going to break this. This is a liquidity grab. We see those all the time. Actually, on my channel, I have a whole video on when the market does stuff like this. It just stopped off a whole bunch of traders, grabbed enough money to push the market back up. And then see, we got our frackle right there. And then on the hour, we had that doji and the frackle. So, yeah, this is going to go back up. This is an easy, nice trade. Even though, see, on the H4, people will be like, oh, man, this is still going to go down. I mean, it can't go down forever. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, where I had something, where's it? USD, USDCHF. And I was supposed to get in the trade with this, but I ignored it. Let's make this auto. So repetition is key, right? So we keep looking for the same, because I look for the same stuff over and over and over again. And that's what makes me a good trader, and that's what makes Bruce a good trader. We're looking for the same stuff. Nothing different. I don't change my style up. If I change my style up, my results are going to change. I don't want my results to change. If I can change for the better, that's cool. But I don't want to change my results if I'm getting really good results. Now you see pullback area, right? See how easy I found support and resistance? We got this push down, identified the pullback area, and it came back to the retest area. It's like USD Chef. So I missed it. I don't like getting in late. I wasn't paying attention because I would have got in up here. Once I saw that lower high right there and that bear candle rejection and go down, I would have got in and at least took it right there or beyond, because there's the next lower low. Anticipation of the lower low would be right there. And we would have been in profit, but I wasn't paying attention to this. Or possibly could come back down here, because I anticipate the dollar to be kind of bullish, but I'm not saying that because I want it to be bullish. I'm saying that because of how the DXY looks like. I don't want to get in the trade based off my emotions. I want to get in the trade based off price action. You know what I'm saying? That's the hour. So what did the H4 look like? See, big rejection. This could possibly come back down to here. See, I didn't go marking up. I didn't want to go and mark up the rest of this. All up there is irrelevant. I'm dealing with this, and this right now. These are the 3 support and resistances I'm dealing with right now. I'm not dealing with nothing up here, and I'm really not even dealing with this yet. Just these 3 is enough for me to take trade opportunities. And then that's when we went to the hour and we start seeing strong bear closes. Honestly, I'm not gonna get in the trade. I'm just gonna, let's just say we got in this trade right now. Oh, what happened to the, I don't know what happened there. I like that it's going back up too. If it came all the way back up there, then I would have got back in, because I'm seeing strong bearish behavior on the hour for this lower low. What we looking like on the 15th? So we got somewhat of a triple top off this retest area. This is telling me that price doesn't want to go past 91,350. If it wanted to go past it, it would have went past it. That's 3 different touches and it's going down. So it touched, made a fractal, bearish pressure. Regardless of what bearish pressure you want to call it, if you want to call it a triple top, if you want to see that there was an M, or if you was waiting for an inverted head and shoulders, you could do it that way. Everything that we teaching. But me, when I see price moving up and then I see these big bear candles coming out of nowhere, then it tries to come back and then we got a bearish engulfing. Looks like price ain't trying to go up there. It's kind of one of those things. It's like obvious. Obviously, it's not trying to go up there. But like I said, I'm just giving an illustration. I'm not getting into this trade. I got enough trades in. I don't like to have too many trades in. So we did get an hourly close fractal with a doji on gold. Where's gold at? So let's delete this. So what we have here, we have the lower low, the fractal. So this is a pullback. Yeah, it's gonna sit here and goof off for a minute, but it's gonna definitely push back up. And we got the last low right there at 1774. And then if it breaks that, then we have a low right here at 1781, or this right here. So this is all the information I have right now on gold. This is classic price tracking up. These lows, where all the sharp moves are at. So either gold is gonna say the hell with this support, where this fractal is at, and keep pushing down to find another support, and it has to close. I don't care if it pushed down now, it got to close down there on the hour or the H4. So let me make this longer because it needs time. It might take some time. So what I'm looking for, push-ups to these areas. There's only two things that's gonna happen. Either it's gonna push back up or actually break this floor and continue down. You got 2 choices. And if you use your analysis, then all of your analysis, I mean like 3 or 4 confluencies, then you're gonna be a really good trader. There's the next floor right there. So that's the next floor for gold. Let's put these back on. But right now I'm loving up the lower low, the fractal, and we got a doji close. Usually when we got a fractal, like this candle is a rejection candle off the support. It made a fractal and a lower low, indicating that the price wants to turn back around. And then a doji showing that it was indecision on both sides. This candle formation right here, this next candle on the hour should be a bullish engulfing. It should be. The market can do whatever it wants to, of course. I think my stop loss is below this wick. So if it comes down here and smacks it, which I'm probably gonna move it down just a teeny bit, but it looks like it's still rejecting. What we got on the 15? It's still holding up strong on this support. But I like that candle formation. Rejection, doji, maybe a bullish engulfing possibly, or if we see a bearish engulfing, then it is what it is. What happened with GB? Yeah, GBP CAD pushed up on me. It's retesting this area right here. Yeah, it pushed up on me. Still, people are still in this swing trade, but it stayed down here so long. It made a doji. See, we got a doji, then bullish engulfing, engulfed the whole doji. So that means buying pressure on GBP versus Canada. It's supposed to be right there. Honestly, I might jump in this myself because I closed out because I thought Canada, because I saw all this pressure and Canada was just getting on my nerves. So I got impatient with it. But I know a lot of other people are still in this trade. We gotta break this area. Got to. If it come back down here, it's probably gonna drop. So when they get right here, I'm gonna give an update to anyone that's still in this trade. The close half, put stop loss at break even. When we closed out of did you Yash, did you end up taking USD CAD 2 weeks ago and stayed in? If so, that thing was up like 250 pips. I closed mine out at 250 pips. I was like, that's good enough. I mean, it's got plenty more to close. I mean, plenty more to go, but I just closed it out. Like, no use. Reset chart. Yeah. If you're still in it, it's up 250 pips. You have a choice. You can either close it out or take some of your profit and put at break even. I think I already told you guys to put it at break even, but yeah, definitely, because that was a good swing trade. I wanted to get Euro CAD too, but it was so wicky. Yeah, Euro CAD was so wicky, but Euro CAD ended up pushing up too. So that would have, if anyone stayed in that Euro CAD, because I called that Euro CAD 2 weeks ago too, and I looked and it was up. I was still in it yesterday. I closed it out. Like, look at this. It's just ranging. But we bought EuroCAD somewhere down here. So it made a nice push up, but I closed yesterday. Because it just, I don't know. Euro's been pretty weak and it's been ranging. But one thing for sure, from this resistance to that support, oh yeah, EA's nice. Did you catch the EA? I think I'm still in that EA buy. Yeah, that was easy. Wherever Euro CAD breaks out of, we'll be there to take the trade. If it breaks down and retests this, we'll take the trade. But if it break out of here and retest it, we'll take that too. But right now, I'm not trading Euro CAD. What did GBP CAD? Yeah, I'm always staring at the charts, trying to make sure we get everything. OddCAD. OddCAD hit take profit yesterday. I called the trade. It hit TP 40 pips. If you took it, yeah, we were out of trade like somewhere around London session. It hit TP. mean, I had to look at it. Yeah, see, I'm waiting on this move to happen, but if it doesn't happen, it's okay. Oh, you didn't close it? I don't even know what are you in profit? Oh yeah, it hit TP last night. Yeah, you didn't put the take profit in? Oh man, I think it already came down to some close and it started to push up. Man, that was my yes, it did. It came down and it's on its way up. I missed this trade. I missed this trade. Wow. Yeah, it was around 2:00 a.m. I was sitting there watching the ARCAD and it hit TP, and then I made the update saying that it hit TP. I was about to manually close it myself because it was taking too long to get up. I was getting annoyed. It kept teeter-tattering with my take profit line, but it ended up hitting it. And I was supposed to, this must have happened last night. It came down and retraced to this 50 golden zone. You see it? And that's where we have buy limits at, but it never activated the buy limit. And look, the market left us. Yeah, it left. Man, I should have put it higher up, maybe at 82,575. It would have wicked it, and it would have went up, and we would have been in profit. Jeez. See how the market do whatever it wants to? It didn't even all the way come down. Now at this point, because it broke this you see it broke this low, this lower low. So now it's gonna come test this. Yeah, it happens. We can't predict what the market gonna do. So this definitely gonna come and test this. But at this point, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen next. So I'll have to sit here and wait it out. Do we have we definitely have, man. Because I took this trade, but it hit my take profit. So then I was waiting for that next trade to come up so I can get to here. So we got the next area right here. That next low. So once it breaks this, and then it's gonna come test that. And then if it tests that, then we literally have a, it could possibly come touch all the structural highs up here. That's wonderful. You in CJ, CAD, JPY. Are you in that sale? Yeah, I had a sale last week, and I got in. See what it did? It didn't even touch my take profit, and it flew back up. And I'm still, as you can see, in the trade. But look at this area right here. I might close out. I don't want this to come pushing all the way back up. I really don't. It looked like it's pushing up now. Yeah, I'm closing my position out, man. I mean, I can put it at stop. I can put my stop loss at break even. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me do that now. You know, it might just break back up. Yeah, let me do that now. All right, I put mine at break even, so somewhere around this area. So if it do come up there and hit it, hey, I closed half of the position out. I'm okay. I didn't close half when it was down there. And I didn't realize that area right there. I'm thinking that was an area, but at the top of this is an area too. See it? This is an area too. That's why it came down and rejected and made a fractal and then pushed back up. Yeah, I didn't see that. See little small stuff like that. If you don't pay attention to stuff like that while you're putting your take profit somewhere, man, you'll be in a trade and it reverse on you and you're like, what the hell just happened? Well, I didn't put my take profit. I should have had my take profit somewhere right in this area where all these wicks at. So that's my fault. Yeah, that's my fault. That was a rookie mistake on me thinking it was gonna come all the way down there. So now I'm all the way up here. I could have been out the trade. Rookie mistake. That's cool. Well, I mean, I ain't a rookie, but those are rookie mistakes. What we got going on gold? Did it end up? It's still going up. Yep, nice rejections. It's still rejecting. I'm looking for a bullish engulfing in the next 30 minutes at least. Or if I'm trading it off the H4, just a complete rejection, honestly. It's rejecting pretty well. I need to find another trade. Yeah, see, look at this crap. And I actually closed this out. Because when I start seeing it wasn't going nowhere, I closed it out. I don't like when my stuff reverses and not push up, so I closed out this trade. Yeah, gold can be difficult. Yeah, gold is very difficult. What's going on with EG? Trying to find another trade, but they're going. It already made the bearish engulfing. There we go. Look at that. So it made a bearish engulfing off this retest area. All right. So in the real world, I would love for it to. This is a legit trade too. In the real world, I want to retest right here. If I can see a retest right there, then we'll get a drop right there. You know that EJ? Oh yeah, EJ hit our TP. Well, the one that I called out, it hit TP. What, yesterday or 2 days ago? So I was out of it. As soon as this come up here, shorten it. Why did that happen? I hate when it does that. That's from not having a mouse. I'm gonna wait. I want this, so I'm gonna wait patiently to see if this pulls back to 84,914. If it pulls back to 84,914 and rejects, so if it rejects that area, then you know what a rejection is: a double top, a head and shoulders, and then the stuff that we've been teaching, all those behaviors. If it does that, then get in before me. Don't even wait on me, because I'm gonna be out and about today. So if you see this pull back on your own and you see some bearish behavior on this retest area, get in. This is a really good trade. Just go ahead and get in, because we already got a bearish engulfing, which lets us know the market is trying to push down off of this double top. So I will wait for that pullback so you won't be in so much drawdown. Yeah, definitely. Matter of fact, let's do this. I don't want to miss out on this either. This is a good perfect setup. EG. I'm gonna put a what do you call it? It's not even EG. I'm looking at the wrong. Off the hour. So it will pull back up. It's looking like it's gonna pull back up. What area is this? This is 84,914. What I'm gonna do is, and if you took that GBP Chef, it's GBP Chef is at GBP Chef is 20 pips in profit. I gotta update that. I'm gonna put I got this. I'm gonna put a what do you call it? A reminder on my phone for EG at 84914. Oh, you took a big lot. Hey, go for it. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I'm like, I ain't gonna do it. So 84914. Let me go ahead and put that on my phone now. What is that? That's for EG 84. Or I possibly, okay. There you go. 84914. And then I'm gonna have all these credentials already ready, so it's gonna be 85341. I'm writing all this down so I can remember. I gotta. Then I'm gonna have the TP at 84232. All right, so I got the update ready on my phone. So as soon as it go right there, my phone gonna ring off. And then if I'm out and about, you can contact me on that app, right? I think you can, right? All right, cool. So also when it gets there, contact me on the app too, because I'm gonna be pretty busy today. I gotta get some things squared away with my family. So when it get up there, just let me know, and we'll sit there and we'll wait for the double top or whatever it's gonna do, and we'll take this move down. This is a perfect setup right off the retest area. So yeah, see, we got the double top with the crackers. Oh, this is wonderful. Can't get no more classic textbook than that. Yeah, on Discord, yeah. Definitely want to take this trade. Don't want to miss out on that. So that means, okay, so this is what I illustrate to people too. So if Euro is going to be weak against Great British Pound, correct? So that means Great British Pound is going to push Euro's bank prices down. So what you think GU, GCAD, all the Great British Pounds are going to do? They're going to fly up too. Because I used to trade EG and GU and GCAD all at one time. So GU should be going up too. See how GU is going up? So now, and it just broke this area and retest. So we have another trade for GU. 1 second. Let me mark this up. Yep, we got a break and retest to this area. And I was waiting on this crap. There it is right there. So we honestly, and then there was the pullback that made the 2 freckles, and it broke this on the hour. We got that. All right. Go back. I'm personally gonna get in this trade right now. I'm actually going. It already is breaking and retesting, even though the market is slow. Right there. That retest. And I'm gonna keep it around here. I don't want to risk too much. This. If it breaks back down this area, that means that this wasn't even legit, but it is legit. Definitely legit area, and it made this bearish engulfing that engulfed this whole thing. Market wants to push up. Simple, basic stuff. I'm gonna get in this now. I'm gonna write on the thing the credentials. Hold on. GU. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. So I know the TP is gonna be. Well, I gotta put the stop loss in first. Stop loss 136,173. All right, let me write it on here. So TP 1.37293. That's the TP. And stop loss is 1.36173. So those are the credentials. I'm getting in now. Then I'm gonna put that on the Discord so we have it, and let's see what happens. It's a nice little setup. GJ should go up. Yeah, GJ's going up too. So I'm gonna close out of my GJ position. It already didn't even go down here. I'm gonna close out of it. Close out this GJ position. If you in that GJ, I'd close out too. But even though, you know what, GJ got a mind of his own. They gotta break this area anyway. Oh, you wouldn't? Yeah. I ain't gonna touch GJ. I just deal with GU, and then when EG gets to that area, we'll deal with EG. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna get on out of here. I gotta get some things done. I'm gonna be on. Damn. See, I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna do the call tonight, but I already got these trades set up, so I guess I'll find another one. I mean, that's no problem with me. I'm always staring at the charts. But yeah, let me know when you right. I'm always like I'm obsessed with these charts. Like on my board time, I'm sitting here marking them up for no reason. I'll go to pairs or stocks or something I ain't never seen before. Like I'll do this. Just type in AO. What is AO? I don't know what the hell this is. Let's look at it. I'll just go to it. Never seen this shit in the day of my life. Never. I don't know what the hell this is. It's a stock, right? Right, never seen it, but I see this head and shoulders. And this bearish engulfing off the head and shoulders. Meaning it's gonna continue to go down. There's the actual move where it's probably gonna come down and test this. Put the fractals on. So yeah, it made a lower low. Yeah, that's how we learn. Yeah, I just became a nut to this. Probably on a lower time frame, it broke out this channel. And then it just retested and just dropped, and it's gonna come down here. I probably could do stocks really well. I just don't really mess with them. What's the H4? Oh my goodness! Look at this beauty. Stocks the same way. Man, it's just same shit. I bet you there was divergence right there that dropped that down. This can possibly come back up and retest this as a ceiling, then drop again. Yeah, I do that all day. Just type in some crap. Okay, yeah, CI. I don't know what CI is. Oh, what are you? Okay. Let's see what we got for CI. All right, see your problem. Mr. CI can't get past here. Made the floor right here on this pullback area. Oh, healthcare company. Oh, well, they ain't helping too much. They can't get past this 220. They can't get past this 220 and look like they double topped right here. But I mean, it's still pushing up. Where's the neckline? The double top neckline right there. Oh, it looked like it came down and pushed back up. Yeah, I'll just sit here for hours and do this stuff I've never seen before. Because market structure is market structure. I even start like my broker allows me to trade wheat bread.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. And I actually took this trade on my broker. I got AAFX, and I had this sale up at this top.
Yeah. And what was that? Yeah. What was that trade? I forgot. You mentioned the TP and stop loss.
Oh, you talking about EG?
Yeah, it was EG Euro.
Yeah, Euro versus Great British Pound.
Yeah, euros. Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yeah, so yeah, the reason why I'm not getting in now because I already see